Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block unknown or private numbers on your Android phone automatically. Alright guys, I have opened my Android phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our phone application on our Android phone. Then after the phone application has been opened, we can tap on this three dots button. And there will be several options for us, and we have to select the settings option. On the settings option, we have to tap on the block numbers, and if you want to block a known number or private numbers automatically, you can activate this feature. Just click on this toggle button, and right after the feature has been activated, all of the incoming calls from unknown or private numbers will be blocked automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can block unknown or private numbers on Android phone automatically. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.